Hello and welcome to MGR Piano Academy. In today's story, I want us to cover a very simple topic about chords, and I'm going to be as clear as much as possible. The first chord, we have what we call the major chord. The major chord. This is the C major chord. I'm going to be working with the C scale, the C key, for more clear examples. The C major chord, we have the root note, which is the C, and then we go to the third and the perfect fifth. These make up the C major chord. From the C major chord, we have the C major seventh chord. Seventh, simply we add the seventh note in the C major scale. That is 11 half steps from the root note upwards, and therefore we have the major plus the seventh note, making the C major seventh chord. Perfect. And the second group of chord, we have the minor chord. From the C major chord, we get the third, and we play it a half step lower. By the way, before we continue, if you are confused about the steps, a full step is, we have both a full step and half step. A half step, it is from this C note and you move to the exact next note, which is C sharp. That is moving a half step. And moving a whole step is moving from this C note and skipping this and coming to this. Moving two steps for that is, that's the whole step, moving two steps forward. To go back to our chords, we are on the C minor chord. We get the third and we play it a half step lower, that is from this to this. That becomes the C minor chord. And to demonstrate with another chord, for instance D, this is the D major chord in the key of D. Playing the D minor, we get this, the third, and play it a half step lower. This is the D minor chord. And moving on to the next chord, we have the diminished chord. The diminished chord, again from the root chord, from the major chord, we get the third and we play it a half step lower, that is coming to this. And also we get the fifth and we play it a half step lower, that is coming to F sharp. That is the diminished chord, the C diminished chord. To demonstrate with the key of D, we have the D major, we get the third, play it a half step lower, and we get the fifth half step lower, the D diminished chord. Perfect. Moving on to the next chord, we have the augmented chord. Augmented chord, again from C major chord, we get the fifth and we play it a half step higher, that is moving forward to G sharp. Therefore we have this to this. This is the C augmented chord. Demonstrating using another key, for instance D, the D major, we get the fifth and we play it a half step higher, that is to this, getting the D diminished chord. I thank you. Don't forget to subscribe not to miss the more tips coming in the future. Thank you.